Being broke ain't funny, but stop worrying about money, cause there's an ocean of money in the market. You just gotta grab it, spark it, and harness.
Joe, what's up everybody? How's everybody doing? Here's another video to show you how our great formula works. And remember, the formula is all about liquidity. We discovered a long time ago that liquidity moves the market, and depending on which session we'll be trading, that help us to determine which strategy we're going to use and which expiration we're going to use. If we're going to use the 5 minutes, if we're going to have a nice end of the day trade, or we're going to have just a 2-hour trade. So that's part of the formula. That's part of the things you need to determine before you enter into a trade. Now, for example, here we're trading the indexes, and right now we're going to take an index. We're in the United States session, so we're going to be using strategy for this session, and the strategy we teach in our trading rooms. So it's very simple. The formula is simple. We give this formula away for free now. You can get it, and if you like it, you can join our strategy course, and I'll send you whatever you need to start winning with this great formula. So talking about this trade that we're gonna get, what we're doing, we're drawing our support and resistance lines on the hourlies, and we're gonna be trading this. We need to have a little bit of patience, because we're not gonna be able to enter as soon as this goes on, as soon as the market opens. I mean, we're prepared for this, so we're preparing for the open of the New York session. So as I said, we are on the hourly time frame, and if you saw that chart, you probably saw that everything was going to the upside. So we're just going to try to take trades to the upside on this chart. All right, if you check out over here, we have a chart that is still going to the upside. Now this is blank because today is Monday, so we didn't have a Saturday and Sunday charts. This were we have the beginning of the day. So now that we know that on the 4 hours the daily is going to the upside, we're going to time our entry. Now, to take the hourly trades, the 2-hour trades, after the market begins, you go to the 15 minutes. And what we're going to do is, right now, as you can see, it's 9:30. It's just, the bell is just opening. You can hear in the back. Now it's open, but I am not gonna enter yet. What I'm gonna do is I will let this go and open. It doesn't matter if it goes higher, it probably will pull back, and I will be able to enter. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna wait for this, and we're gonna wait for a 15-minute candlestick that goes in the favor of my trend, and we're going to try to catch that trade. Now, why I'm not entering over here? Because I need that the market settles down before I take a trade. So what I'm going to do is I will pause the video, because this probably will take around half an hour. So you probably draw all of this around let's say 9 a.m. and you let this run until let's say around 10 a.m., right? Around that time, we're going to be able to enter a trade. So we're going to pause this, and we're going to come back in a few minutes when I see if we got a pullback or a breakout, and then we're probably going to get a trade. So let's pause the video for now. Okay guys, we are back on the video, and as you can see, the craziness of the start of the market is already gone, and what I can see over here is that we have an engulfing candle reacting from this support line from we're gonna enter the trade. Over here we draw this is a 4-hour support line. Now if you know candlestick formations, there's only two types of entries that I recommend for trading. Number one is to trade on a pullback in favor of the trend, waiting for a candlestick formation like a hammer or an engulfing candle that tell us that it's gonna go up or in the direction of our trade. Here you probably can get this trade over here because we're having a hammer on a support line, so probably in the next candle we can go in favor of the trend. So it would be a good entry, and as you can see, it just worked. And the second entry that I recommend is to take a trade on an engulfing candle coming out from a support or resistance line. Right now we're having an engulfing candle, and what we're going to do is we're going to buy this at 50, right? You can buy it in the money over here. You can buy it in the money over here, right? If you want, below this support line, or you can buy it at the money over here. So this is what I'm going to do. I will buy it in the money at 50 over here. Okay, let's check this out. We got a possible entry over here at 55, 59 is the closest one. I could buy it over here at 58. That will be my entry. This will be my entry over here, and I will buy two contracts. And as you can see, it's not a big issue to trade on this. It's very simple, right? You just gotta be aware that you need to have patience when you are entering at this time in the market. So this is another proof that our formula works, and it was not designed by me. We just apply it, and this formula, I mean, we're just following step by step how to take a trade with our formula. Remember that trading is all about liquidity. It's not, the market does not move in the same way all day. I mean, sometimes you have a range, sometimes during the day you have the trends, and sometimes during the day you're going to have pullbacks, but that happens on a specific sessions. So in the formula, we apply certain strategies to the formula depending on which time of the day you're going to be trading. I mean, it's not always the same. Remember that when you're having lunch, for example, you're not going to have a lot of people trading at that time. When you're having an open of the market, you're not going to you're going to have a lot of people putting money in it on it. So all that helps you to determine which strategy you must be using. So and also helps you to know if you're going to be trading 5 minutes, you're going to be trading end of the day, you're going to be trading different strategies that you can get. All right. So if you like this, and if you want to know this the formula, I mean, it's very easy. You can check out our website. It's perfecttradeformula.com, and in there we can give you the formula away for free. You just gotta sign up, and I'll invite you to get the formula. And of course, after that, we can invite you to get our strategies in our strategy group. So don't waste your time. Go ahead and click in the description below and become one of our VIP members and try our formula. It works great.